no proof. I got no weapons on me.
You're right. Now you don't have a weapon.
What you doing?
And you know what? I'm not buying this whole blind thing.
Hey, what you doing?
Hands on the hood. Anything y'all need that's gonna poke prod me?
Give me your hands.
When corrupt cops realize they've been caught in the act, how does a blind man's cane turn into a weapon in the eyes of the law? Officer Mikulitsky's actions will make you question everything. On January 19th, 2025, Officer Mikulitsky approached a blind black man waiting at a bus stop, questioning his presence and intentions, even after he explained he was simply waiting for the bus.
And what do you intend to do at that friend's house?
Well, what we normally do is just...
Weapon?
Yeah.
I'm looking at the weapon right now.
Well, I don't have a dangerous weapon.
Despite being a police officer, Officer Mikulitsky somehow couldn't tell the difference between a weapon and a blind man's cane.
So you're telling me you're blind and then you use that device to find your way around? I'm not buying it.
Yeah.
On you.
I don't have any weapons.
No weapons at all?
Not at all.
So you're just sitting here randomly, no reason to...
I come here every day.
Well, you're in the wrong spot. So your story's not adding up. Now, I would like to know what you're really suspicious, and your behavior is very questionable right now. So I'm going to ask you again, why are you here, and what are you doing? I'm an officer of the law, do you understand that?
Well, officer, I'm just waiting on the bus. I got no weapons on me.
Can you repeat that? Who's the law?
You are the law.
I'm the law, not you.
Officer Mikulitsky repeatedly accused the man of suspicious behavior, fabricating claims that he was planning a robbery, using drugs, or causing trouble, despite having no evidence.
Bus, you're the one that damaged some vehicles, vicious, and we got a call about you, and I don't appreciate the attitude. I have every right to be doing this because why? Why? Suspicious claiming to be at a bus stop when you're clearly not at a bus stop, holding a weapon and claiming to be blind.
Dog, I don't even know if you're an officer, number one. I said it because you said that you're an officer.
Because you can clearly see that I'm an officer.
I can't see that. It's from what you're telling me.
You just admitted that I'm the law.
Bro, I didn't do anything
Why are
wrong.
you doing suspicious activities? Why are you about to commit a crime?
I'm not committing a crime.
I'm just here to stop you from something bad that's about to happen. I can clearly... That means you're up to no good. Air Jordans.
That don't mean nothing,
Did you
bro.
buy those shoes or you steal them from someone?
Yeah,
they look a little big for your feet.
Bro, I bought them.
Anywhere till you admit to what you're doing.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm just waiting.
Who are you going to rob? What were you going to steal? Who are you going to harm with the weapon? Somebody and rob them. Steal their stuff. Hit them in the head with this weapon that you're carrying.
Man, just step, man. Leave me alone. Bro.
I'm not going anywhere until you tell me what you're doing.
Man, just stop, bro.
Claiming to be blind? When you clearly saw I was an officer, you said I'm the law, which means you could see my uniform.
Officer Mikulitsky seized the man's white cane and sunglasses, calling them weapons and refusing to return them, even though no crime had been committed.
No proof. I got no weapons on me.
You're right. Now you don't have a weapon. I don't have enough evidence to take you in, but I am confiscating this weapon.
After the incident, Officer Mikulitsky was suspended for 6 weeks, with full pay and benefits. No further disciplinary action was taken. If a police officer isn't sure about the law, should they really be enforcing it? This next encounter raises serious questions. On September 9th, 2024, a Montgomery County officer stopped a driver for an obstructed license plate. The driver disagreed, insisting it was still visible despite the bike rack.
Roll down the window.
Yes, may I help you?
Officer Norton, Montgomery County Constables, Precinct 5. The reason I pulled you over is your license plate is...
It's not covered. It is, but that's
It's obscured.
legal.
No, it's not. I cannot see your license plate. I cannot see your license plate.
You can call Officer Simpson, Sergeant Simpson, and ask him. It is not obscure.
So me not being able to see your back license plate, don't roll up your window on me.
Oh, what to begin with?
Okay, that's all I said was don't roll your window up.
When the officer attempted further questioning about weapons and narcotics, the driver exercised their right to remain silent. refusing to answer unnecessary questions.
It is my business, actually.
No, I don't have to answer any more questions.
Yeah, you do. Are there any?
Answer any more questions?
Okay, cool. Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle for me.
Excuse me?
Hop out of the vehicle.
Say that again?
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the
I'm not
vehicle?
getting out of the vehicle.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, no, I am not.
Yes, you are. Occupant that's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out.
Yes, you are.
The officer demanded the driver step out, calling it a lawful order. The driver stood firm, arguing there was no legal ground for it.
You can open up the channel. You can get out of the vehicle. Sit here all day until... Okay. We'll sit here and all day. All I asked was for you to get out of the vehicle.
I am not getting out.
Tell you. So for all I know is you have a firearm.
There is no vehicle. There's no weapons in my vehicle.
You said I don't have to tell you.
Exactly. But I also have to get out of my vehicle.
Yeah, you do. It's a lawful order.
No, it's not.
Okay. We can agree to disagree.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
To get out of the vehicle and you're still refusing.
I'm getting out of my vehicle.
Okay, well, we can either pull you out.
Call Sergeant Simpson.
You as a lawful order.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
It is not.
It definitely is a lawful order.
My vehicle.
Okay.
It is not a lawful order.
Sergeant on the line right now. See? He's en route. So you can sit here, or you can, if there were any weapons in the vehicle, and you said, no, I don't have to tell you. So.
No weapons in my vehicle. If you're not shining your flashlight in my eyes, I'm
You're not even looking at us.
I can hear you because you're loud enough.
You can hear us, but you're not looking at us. So.
When the driver finally stepped out, the female officer began a search. She quickly objected, calling it an invasion and not just a simple pat-down for weapons.
Hands on the hood.
That's not a pat down. That is pull my bra.
It is definitely a pat down. We can argue. I'm allowed to.
No, you're not.
Okay. Where are you coming from today? Ever been in trouble with the law before?
No.
No.
Except for that I got pulled over, like, I went to jail for...
If I search the vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. Stay right there. Is Theo on?
No, he's limping.
Realizing she may have made a mistake stopping the driver, the officer quickly contacted the district attorney, DA, for guidance.
My guy had to physically have him remove him in the car.
Yeah, but how many times did we ask her? You know?
Oh, yeah.
That's clear. So out on a traffic stop for that I wasn't able to see the rear license plate. She argued with me and says that it's not obscured. This, and this. When I asked if there were any weapons in the vehicle, she said that she didn't have to tell me. I then asked her, okay, well, do you mind stepping out? That way I know, you know, for my safety, your safety. And then she refused to get out of the vehicle when I asked her multiple times. It took 4 other officers to, and then as I'm patting her down, seeing if she, like, you know, stuffed anything anywhere in her bra, interference.
Give me a second, I want to look at something.
Okay.
2978.
I'm with you. Technically, yes, you have the violation if you want to file it. However, the first one is the statute that I wanted to look at is that bicycles and motorcycle racks attached to that in the statute.
Okay, even with the bicycles on it?
I'll read it to you. A bicycle or motorcycle rack that is attached to a vehicle in a normal or customary manner. In saying that you patting her bra is not a pat down, it's a search.
This conversation clearly exposes the officer's lack of legal knowledge. In the end, the DA advised against charging the driver due to weak legal grounds.
Easily make out the case for interference with public duties for her refusing to come out and eat you alive with the other two issues at a trial on that case. So I'll go whichever way y'all want to go, and I'm certainly happy if you
On the stuff that we got at
my take
home.
is legally you're right. Morally, I wouldn't take that fight if I were you.
Obscured.
Well, I read you the exact language, and so you can see how you think it applies to your exact facts because you're looking at your situation.
Go under the bikes as I'm pulling over the vehicle to see the plate. Like there's 3 bikes.
In the end, the female driver was released without any charges.
We didn't get a response on any of the
That's there. You can just. All right. Well, the sergeant's right here if you want to speak to him. If not, you're more than welcome to go on about your day.
Thank you.
What happens when a good Samaritan is treated like a suspect? This next case reveals just how easily the truth can be ignored. On December 18, 2023, Cannon chased down a man he believed had caused a hit and run, putting his pregnant wife and children in danger.
What the Like what? Male on ground, white male, denim jacket, jeans. You shouldn't have to hit your sirens on this one. You should be able to see us once we get up to the intersection. Black sweatshirt, jeans is the guy with the gun. Suspect now holding male on the ground on his back. What the Is it over here? Give me your hands.
I'm going now. My tow truck's right there.
What is going on?
The vehicle down
Did
the
you
road.
call 911?
Yes, you did. My wife's right there, which is the driver in this red Yukon.
You can't.
Despite repeatedly explaining himself, Cannon was ignored and detained without any investigation into the crash.
You wait for us to get there.
I have no other weapons on me. No.
It's a
I drive a tow truck.
No. Can you grab a bag out of my back seat?
Not going.
Or what? I don't care.
Like the tow truck here in the city.
Okay.
That's it. Not doing my best.
Time check. Oh my god.
Move your car! Stay back!
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cops Quiz. In today's episode, we bring you a startling example of how a lack of legal knowledge among police officers can have serious consequences. Watch as we reveal the story of a corrupt cop who ends up in prison. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get it on. On Friday, Gonzalez. It all began when she was stopped by a Platteville Police Department officer. Subsequently, 2 officers from the Fort Lupton Police Department joined the scene in response to a call about a potential road rage incident. As law enforcement approached Ms. Rios Gonzalez's vehicle, tensions rose, especially when she stopped her vehicle just beyond a set of railroad tracks, leading a Platteville officer to park behind her on the tracks. Soon, all three officers exited their vehicles and began giving verbal commands to Ms. Rios Gonzalez.
I'm 3 car behind the other unit.
I'm right behind you, Vasquez. I'm going to your passenger side.
Dispatch left in 346, one at gunpoint.
Driver, let me see your hand. Put your hands out the window. Put your phone down.
Put both hands out the window.
Dispatch left in 346. We're giving commands. Her hands are out the window at this time.
In a startling turn, Ms. Rios Gonzalez was arrested by a female police officer and placed in the back seat of a patrol car. What's more alarming is that the officer parked the vehicle directly on the railroad lines, an act forbidden by Colorado ribeye regulations unless necessary to prevent traffic jams or under police or traffic control orders. This action constitutes a Class B traffic violation. This violation is particularly concerning given the paramount importance of safety on roads, as emphasized by statutory provisions like Section 42-4108, which allows emergency vehicles to park under specific circumstances. Parking on train tracks, especially while transporting a detained individual, raises serious public safety concerns. Not only does it endanger the person in custody, but it also poses a significant risk to potential train passengers. This incident highlights issues with both law enforcement safety protocols and the protection of individual rights under the law.
Put your right hand, open your door, come on out. You can hear me?
Yeah.
Put your hands up, come on out.
Yep.
This side?
Yeah.
Vasquez.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. I want you to set your phone down at the edge of your truck.
On your left.
You don't need it. You can leave it on. Come on back. Keep coming back. Keep your hands up. Keep coming back. Keep coming back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. Stop right there. Get down on one knee and then the other.
Good. Keep your hands above your head.
Don't move.
What's going on? Why am I here? Can I get
Who
my
else is in
cell
the
phone,
truck?
please? No one else is in the truck, sir. Can I please get my cell phone? We'll get it for you.
Don't worry
Stand
about
up.
yourself.
Where are you taking me? We're taking you to the car. Come on. Why? What? Is there any weapons in the car?
Ready?
No, ma'am. There's nothing on.
There's no weapons in the car?
Okay.
See you in a second. Take a seat.
I'm so confused. Can I get
Take a
my
seat.
cell phone?
I will get your cell phone for you. Take a seat.
Ms. Rios Gonzalez was left handcuffed in the back of a police car on train tracks, while officers searched her vehicle for a gun. This action potentially violated Colorado traffic codes and neglected her safety in a situation of obvious danger. A recent ruling by the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, overseeing Colorado, emphasized law enforcement's obligation to uphold the safety of individuals in their custody, as outlined in the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. This constitutional provision safeguards against the deprivation of life, liberty, or property without proper legal procedures. In legal matters, the distinction between negligence and deliberate indifference is crucial. Negligence occurs when a state official fails to exercise reasonable care, as seen in cases like Daniels v. Williams. However, deliberate indifference, exemplified in cases like Berry v. City of Muskogee, denotes a conscious disregard for an individual's rights or safety. In Ms. Rios Gonzalez's case, there's a compelling argument that the officer's actions could meet the legal standard of deliberate indifference, as they knowingly put her in harm's way without proper concern for her safety. The ongoing debate centers on the legal framework governing law enforcement actions and the protections afforded to individuals under the Due Process Clause. Recent jurisprudence, such as the Walton case in the 10th Circuit, has extended these protections to cover claims of excessive force against individuals awaiting trial. This underscores the importance of procedural fairness in law enforcement activities.
I got your right shoulder. I see a car seat. Clear. Okay, let's get the bed. Yeah, you drop it, I'll hold it. I'll come across. Clear.
It took her a long time to pull over.
I got a holster right here in the passenger seat.
Okay. It took her a very long time to pull over.
Did you see her toss anything?
She could have, because it took her a long time to pull over.
I'm gonna put my rifle away and I'll come back to it.
Alright.
She could have, because when I was behind her, she was driving slow enough.
Yeah. Time check. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Move your car! Stay back!
Patrol car was just hit by a train. 346, status medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
There may still be a firearm in the vehicle. I don't know if you guys have been through it yet. You got it?
Right now I just need to find out who she is so we can deal with that aspect of it. Who's away?
Check the center console.
You what?
Check the center console. You think it's in there?
Well, we need to find her ID, so her ID could be in the console. There's your gun.
Ms. Rios Gonzalez sustained severe injuries, including 9 broken ribs, a fractured arm, leg, sternum, and head trauma, following the altercation with law enforcement officers. Her legal representative intends to pursue legal action against the involved police departments. The incident is currently under investigation by various authorities, and Platteville and Fort Lupton law enforcement officers have faced scrutiny for their handling of the situation. The officer involved has been placed on leave pending further investigation, highlighting the importance of holding law enforcement officers accountable for their actions. On July 29, 2019, Mr. Disorderly, the proprietor of the Disorderly Product News YouTube channel, was pulled over by Officer Stephen Gregory of the Chicago Police Department on suspicion of not wearing a seatbelt. Mr. Disorderly began recording the interaction on his phone. During the stop, Officer Gregory questioned Mr. Disorderly about his posture in the vehicle. Mr. Disorderly invoked his right to remain silent, leading to a brief exchange before he was asked to exit the vehicle. He complied as additional officers arrived. Once outside, Mr. Disorderly was patted down by one officer, while Officer Kimberly Opedisano searched his car without his consent. This warrantless search was conducted based on Fourth Amendment legal exceptions that allow car searches under certain conditions, such as reasonable suspicion of criminal activity or ensuring officer safety. The legality of such searches often hinges on the specifics of the situation, as established in various court cases like Pennsylvania v. LeBron, 1996, and Michigan v. Long, 1983.
Everything's on camera, brother. If you got nothing to hide, It's fine.
Yeah, you got nothing.
We're all being recorded. We're all being recorded.
Oh, just step back. Step back over.
Why is she searching my purse? It's a pat down.
Why is she searching my car? Why is she? I did not give her permission to search my car.
Hey,
Clear and articulable evidence by him.
Up here.
You need to have clear and articulable evidence by him. So you saying you just don't know?
You got insurance on the car too?
Why is she in my car?
Do you have insurance on the car?
Of course I have insurance.
I wanted to see what you were leaning.
Get out of my car.
Don't tell me what to do. You don't know the law.
I do.
Oh,
it's
you
called
do.
Terry versus Ohio, 1962.
Yeah,
Set precedence for the 4th Amendment to the Constitution.
Do you have
Tell me
insurance?
what it
explaining
is.
myself
Unreasonable search and seizure. Get the fuck out of my car. She has no right to be in my car because you're breaking my constitutional rights.
Just insurance. Where's your insurance?
It's in my car.
Where in the car?
I don't know. I don't know.
Officer Gregory justified the search by citing concerns for officer safety, observing Mr. Disorderly bending over inside the vehicle. This action was deemed suspicious, aligning with precedents where courts upheld searches based on similar observations, such as the Seventh Circuit's ruling in United States versus Vacado, 2019. However, Mr. Disorderly contested the validity of the search, arguing it was conducted during a routine traffic stop. His admission of bending over, captured on body camera footage, weakened his position to suppress the evidence found during the search. The exclusionary rule established in Mapp versus Ohio, 1961, could potentially bar unlawfully obtained evidence, but Mr. Disorderly's admission complicated his defense.
Pull me over for a seatbelt. A seatbelt. Why are you in my car? Because I leaned over.
Because you leaned over, you could be hiding a weapon. I don't know
okay,
that.
you just did a cursory search of my
No,
person.
I did a protected
You did a
pat
cursory
down. I
search
didn't
of
go
my
in your
person.
pocket.
In the car.
Where at?
We've already had this conversation. I don't know. I had to be in the car and look for it. What are you doing,
Hey,
dude?
Close the door
just
on my hand.
Relax,
You put
dude.
your hand in the middle of the traffic.
Just find your insurance. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, Vic. How are you doing? Hey, just stay calm, bro. That's all. Just stay calm. Just stay calm.
I didn't do anything wrong.
It's understandable.
This was effective, Mark. What does that say? Expiration date 3/12/2020. And you're the one searching my car. You're searching my car. You can't even read a f***ing insurance. Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up. Sit tight.
Hey, just relax. Hey.
Hurry up.
Hey, relax.
Hurry up. And bring back your ID cards. Bring back your business cards. Make sure you do that. No, bring back your business card.
Hey, relax. Come on.
Unreasonable search and seizure. He said because I was leaning over. What crime is that? What crime is it to lean over in your own car? Clearly articulate what crime that is.
You know the law, you know everything?
I do know law. I do know law. It has to qualify as a Terry stop. It has to qualify as a Terry stop. He took me out of the car because he believed I had a weapon on me, so he can do a cursory search of my person for a weapon. They by no means can enter my car.
Yeah, you're gonna get everything from them.
No, but I need yours. You're on scene. You're acting in disrepair.
We don't have business cards, man. We don't have business cards.
What is it?
Jurassic 6998.
What's yours?
Alvarado 7118. They'll give you what's called an ISR receipt, all right? Investigatory stop receipt with his star number and all that. Okay? Oh, that's the one you. Okay.
I went in my pocket and it fell into the seat. That's why she's thinking. But hold on. If I'm in right here, it falls right here. How am I? She's looking under his hair. She can.
But are you reaching under something?
What? I didn't never reach something.
Just relax, brother. That's all. You'll be on your way, right? Just relax. I appreciate you being calm, yeah. I appreciate you being calm.
I understand you have to back these guys up, but they were totally out of line. Completely out of line. I have done nothing wrong. I am a hardworking American. I pay my taxes. People can't
Justin,
get
here
it
you
from
go, buddy. There's your license back.
What's your name and badge number?
It's Gregory. It's right here. I'm going to give you the
I don't care about that. I'm asking you to tell me
right
what
here.
your name.
Gregory 9960.
Gregory 9960. Okay, tell me it. I can't read. Who told you I can read? What's her name and badge number?
It's not. Okay, Opedisano.
Opedisano. How do you spell that? Pedisano or Opedisano?
Opedisano. It's all right here.
Where out of? Where do you do roll call? When they go roll call, they say.
I don't do a roll call.
Okay. Where do you work out of?
Here, I'm going to give you this.
Where do you work out of? You work out of Grand Central?
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Have a great day.
show up. Make sure you show up in court. Make sure you show up. Make sure you show up in court.
All right, brother, be safe.
Traversing 4650 West Traversing at the Walmart. Female caller said the store was being robbed. Caller.
When the officers failed to appear in court, the ticket for not wearing a seatbelt was dismissed. Mr. Disorderly then filed a Freedom of Information Act request for the body camera footage, but received only 2 out of the 4 recordings. Despite legal grounds for the search, the Chicago police's hostile behavior and failure to de-escalate the situation were criticized. This incident highlights the importance of proper police conduct and community relations. Mr. Disorderly, though frustrated, complied with the officer's orders, demonstrating the need for both law enforcement and civilians to understand their rights and responsibilities. By fostering empathy and education, police can improve public perception and community relations. Hopefully through this video, you've gained a clearer understanding of police corruption in the United States and the importance of coming together to build a more just society. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found the video helpful and share it to spread this message to everyone. Let's work together to make positive change. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.